Hello. I've created a short mini yoga series for you to utilize if you just want a quick stretch, if you need just a quick movement before you go and switch into a different phase of your day. This is just a mini series, a quick flow for you to use, and I hope you enjoy. So we're going to begin at the top of our mat. I'm going to stand to the side so you can see what I'm doing, but we're going to be facing the front of our mat, and our feet are going to be about hip width apart. So do what I'm saying and not what I'm doing. And we're going to begin by engaging all of our bodies. So we're going to root down through the pinky side of our foot and then the big side of our foot. So anchoring down through those two sides, and then coming to the back of our foot and anchoring down through both sides of our heel. Now you're going to feel your legs start to fire up with this. So we're going to now move up our body. So engaging our calves and our shins, slightly bending our knees, and then turning on our thighs, our inner thigh and our outer thigh. And coming up to our hips, we're going to engage our glutes, stacking our shoulders over our hips, drawing our navel to our spine, engaging our core, and then bringing our shoulders onto our back, bringing our arms down by our side, spreading our fingers nice and wide, and slightly tucking our chin, maybe closing your eyes, and feeling the activation of all your muscles being turned on in this beautiful active mountain pose. Breathing here for a few breaths. Inhaling all the way in and down to the base of your spine. And exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, release. Now we're going to inhale, draw our arms up by our side, up by our ears, and then draw our shoulders onto our back. Breathing here. Connecting with our breath. On your next inhale, it's like you have a string pulling you up from the middle of your chest. So from the middle of your chest here, there's a string pulling you up towards the ceiling. We're going to inhale, lift with the chest. Exhale, bring our arms to meet our ears. Inhale, lift with your chest. Exhale, bring your arms to meet your ears. Inhale, lift with your chest. Exhale, bring your arms in alignment with your ears. We're going to be coming into this beautiful front body stretch. One last time, inhale, exhale, arms to meet your ears. On your next inhale, we're going to slowly come up. We're going to move so you can see properly, and then hinging at the hips, engaging the core, coming down with a nice flat back, bending your knees as you come down towards the floor, coming into a forward fold. Breathing here for a few breaths. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold, bringing your torso as close to your legs as you possibly can. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, bringing your body as close to your legs as you can. One last time. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. On your next inhale, we're going to bring the right foot back, uncurl the toes, dropping the right knee back, setting up for low lunge on the right side. We're going to inhale, check in with our foundation, bringing our left knee over our ankle, and maybe walking your right knee back if you're not feeling a stretch yet in your right outer hip. Once you're in your place, I want you to keep your hands either fingertips or fists or flat on the ground, wherever you can hold. And then close your eyes and connect with your breath. Breathing here, inhaling and exhaling to release any tension. Inhale, exhale, release. One last time. Inhale. Exhale, release. Curling the toes under, raising the right knee, We're gonna inhale, plant the hands, stepping the left foot back to meet the right, coming into downward facing dog. Breathing here, setting up our foundation, spreading our weight through all 5 fingers, drawing our shoulders onto our back, maybe bending your knees if the back of your legs are really tight, drawing your chest towards your upper thighs, and then rooting down through both heels. Connecting with your breath here, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, we're going to come forward into a brief plank. And then exhale, slowly drawing our arms towards our body. Come down to our mat completely. Untucking the toes, gluing our legs together, and then rooting down through all 10 toes. We're going to inhale, come up into cobra. It can be your version, it can be low cobra or high cobra or bent arm cobra, whatever variation you feel called to. Breathing here, feeling the beautiful stretch through the front of your body and through the back body. Holding here for one more breath. Maybe drawing your shoulders onto your back if you can, a little bit more. And then exhale, coming all the way back down, curling your toes under, moving in your variation, either knees and up or pushing up through plank, coming into downward facing dog. Breathing here for one breath. We're going to bring the right leg up and in between our hands, lowering our left knee down, untucking our left toes, setting up for a low lunge in the opposite side. Checking in with your foundation, making sure your leg is in alignment, maybe adjusting your left knee if you need to increase the tension or decrease it. And then once you're here, settling your hands and however you want to hold it, and then maybe closing your eyes and coming back into your breath. Breathing here, inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now I invite you to curl the left toes under, bring the left knee up. We're going to walk the left leg to meet the right leg, coming into a forward fold, bending your knees as much as you need to so you can draw your hands down to the ground. Inhale, we're going to halfway lift, drawing our core in, and then exhale, forward fold. One more time, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, drawing our torso towards our legs as much as we can. Just feeling the lengthening in your thighs from when you first started. And then inhale, engaging your core. We're going to draw our arms out by our side and then up to standing. Drawing our hands to our center. Thanking ourselves for moving, thanking ourselves for creating this energy, and taking this time just to stretch your body. I hope you enjoy this little mini series. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe. Have a great day.